In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend your music project using Suno AI. Whether you're refining an existing track or adding fresh elements, this process can really enhance your musical piece. Let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by logging into Suno AI. Make sure you have your credentials at the ready. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. From here, open up the song project you wish to work on. If you're juggling multiple projects, double check that you're selecting the right one to avoid any mix-ups. Now, once you have your project open, the next step is to locate the Extend Song feature. With the 2025 update, the interface might look a little different if you haven't used it in a while. Don't worry, it's designed to be user-friendly. You'll find the Extend Song feature prominently displayed, making it easy to access. After selecting the Extend Song option, you'll be prompted to choose how you wish to extend your track. Typically, you can decide based on length in minutes or by selecting the number of bars you'd like to add. Take a moment to consider what will best serve your artistic intentions. Are you seeking a longer introduction or perhaps an extended bridge? Once you're clear on what you need, make your selection accordingly. With your preferences set, you can now apply this extension to your track. This part is where the magic really starts to happen. The system analyzes your existing composition and seamlessly adds new segments based on the parameters you selected. It's a fantastic tool for preserving the essence of your piece while enhancing its duration. Before finalizing everything, it's wise to have a listen to your newly extended track. There's a preview feature that allows you to hear the changes in action. Play it through a couple of times to ensure the extension aligns with your creative vision and that there are no unexpected hitches in the flow of the music. Previewing helps you catch any potential issues early on, saving time and effort. Once you're satisfied with the preview, it's important to save your work. Suno AI gives you the option to either save the revised track directly within the platform or export it for use elsewhere. Exporting can be particularly useful if you plan to share it on other platforms or need it in a specific file format. It's as simple as clicking the Save or Export option, and your extended track will be ready to share with the world. And there you have it, a straightforward way to extend your tracks using the updated Suno AI interface. This process not only saves time, but it also adds a professional touch to your music projects. Thank you for watching, and happy music making!